Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to add medical information in our Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this option or medical information menu? We have to go to Settings, then we need to scroll all the way down to Safety and Emergency menu. And at the top we have medical info. As you can see, this is a little pop-up information that pops up, confirm, and here we have our medical information list. We can add a lot of things here so that we can have it close to us if we need it. Remember to save any changes that you typed in. Remember to save it, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.